Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into TaxDome, the all-in-one practice management software designed for accountants, bookkeepers, and tax professionals who are tired of their desktop looking like a digital junkyard. It has gained massive popularity lately by cramming every imaginable tool into one place. With TaxDome, you can manage clients, store files, and collect e-signatures without the soul-crushing experience of switching between 20 different apps. It's basically trying to be the Swiss Army knife of accounting, provided you don't accidentally cut yourself on the learning curve. One of the standout features is the client portal, which allows customers to log in, upload documents, and check their case progress at any time. This makes your communication look incredibly professional, even if you're actually reviewing files in your sweatpants. The software also offers workflow automation, meaning you can set up tasks to trigger automatically. For example, once a client signs a contract, the system can immediately fire off a welcome email and a checklist. It saves a lot of time and reduces those oops moments that keep you up at night. Because TaxDome is cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere, a perfect feature for the modern accountant who likes to pretend they're working while sitting at a departure gate. The pricing is surprisingly competitive, offering unlimited storage and unlimited clients for one fixed price, which is a rare act of mercy in the world of SaaS subscriptions. However, some users might find the initial setup a bit overwhelming. There are so many features to learn that you might feel like you're trying to pilot a space shuttle just to file a simple return. Taking a closer look at that client portal, it's a secure, white-labeled platform available on desktop and mobile. Clients get a unique link to a dashboard that highlights their to-do list, including those unpaid invoices they've been ignoring. They can upload documents via drag and drop or use a built-in mobile scanner, effectively killing off the "I don't have a scanner" excuse forever. The system even supports multiple languages like Spanish, French, and German, so you can look sophisticated on a global scale. Firms can fully brand the portal with their own logos and colors to maintain a high-end image. On the back end, the document management system provides unlimited cloud storage and uses folder templates to keep things organized. You can even print directly to TaxDome from your other tax software. To top it off, they've introduced TaxDome AI, which automatically analyzes and renames client documents. Because apparently, even typing 2023 tax return is now considered too much manual labor for the average human. And that's the tour. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.